Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of the Ronnie and Johnnie Show. I'm Ronnie, and Johnnie, as you see, is not here. Told him to be here. You know, he's late. Promptness. Promptness is the key to success. Yeah. Well, anyway, today's episode is tribute to the military. Thank you for the special men and women out there that serve our country. Shout out to my brother Kenny, Lead Special Forces, former Navy SEAL. We're doing Maine greens. Got a nice stack of greens right here. Got collard, turnip, some spinach. Delicious. Even got some mustard in there for that extra flavor. And some cilantro. One of Johnny's favorite. Alright, people, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting these up and we'll make it happen. Gonna cut those ends off. Nice and clean. It's delicious. The mustard. Cutting those edges off too. We're making it quick and easy today. Then we're gonna do the collards. Most of the time, old school ways, how my grandma used to do it. Snap the end, peel the top off. Makes a nice little leaf there. After that, break them into 3. But we're gonna cut them. So we're cutting those edges off. And we'll break them in fast speed. Turnip as well. Now the end caps for these, if you want to put them in a soup you can, or if you want to hit and toss them, do what you will. The onion. Gonna add a little bit of that there for extra flavor. Ooh yeah! Oh God! No, soldiers don't cry. Don't forget the garlic. Makes you have less friends. Ooh, it's gonna be a big pot. One of my favorite things is add a little bit of broth to it. Gotta put a little bit of chicken broth in there. Oh yeah, a little bit of chicken stock. Veggie broth is good too. For those that don't like the chicken. Now, I'm gonna add a little butter. Butter time. For those that don't like the dairy, if you want, you can add a little bit of oil. Now the greens. Yes. Make it delicious. Just put them all in there, man. Oh yeah. And eventually they're gonna cook down. Fire is high. Yeah. Seems like more greens. Now we're gonna add the onions. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the garlic. For that extra pungentness. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about another 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna add the spices. Now the 15 minutes has passed. It's time to start stirring it. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's cooking fast, cooking fast. Oh man, look how brown this got. Now I gotta add a little seasoning to it. Put a little 21 season salute in there.
yeah. Put some funk on it. A little bit of turmeric.
Oh yeah.
Whoops. Some salt, baby. Oh yeah, another one. Yeah, might as well go for the extra hypertension. A little bit of pepper. And another 15 minutes, we'll flip it over. Alright, the way it looks now, it's about done. Woo-wee, look at that greens. Time to turn it down on the low. Just let it sit and simmer. Add a little more season to it. Bam! Add a little more turmeric. Bam! So, we'll hold off. Hit it next time. A little bit of pepper. Stir that. Here we go.
Ooh-wee, them greens look good. You know, greens are nutritional. They have vitamin A, K, what else? Iron, B6, B12.
Smells good in here.
Hey, man.
What's up? What are you doing here?
Man, we're supposed to get together and bake these greens.
No, no.
Yeah, man. Collard greens. Delicious. Collard greens, baby.
Oh, we're doing the collard green episode today?
Collard green episode.
Oh, well, I see you don't have your collard green shirt on, but I have mine on right here.
No, man, the collard greens, like.
I thought this was supposed to be an episode about clothing.
Clothing. Oh,
We've done enough food episodes. Why don't we do something different?
collard greens. Spinach, turnip.
I bought this Army surplus store. Paid $89.99 for it. It was it's from World War I. The guy said, you know, he wore it in the Battle of Iraq, Baghdad or something. And he said he killed 39 people. Medal of Honor and stuff like that. So I gave him an extra $20. So it's a nice shirt, right?
Impressive name.
Vintage. Vintage. So what are we doing? What are we doing here, man? It smells good.
Oh, man.
Want any cottage cheese?
I'm gonna skip on that.
I've got some greens, baby.
This is what I'm talking about, man.
You already done?
Yeah.
How long you been here?
Oh, man, for probably about a good 30, 45 minutes. Making greens on the show. Ooh, these look
It's
scrumptious.
3:30 in the morning. What are you doing? Okay. That's not greens.
Collard greens. Spinach, turnip, mustard,
Cilantro. Mmm.
Try that, man. It's just.
Woo!
Woo!
Need some hot sauce.
Oh, man.
Look.
How can I not make greens and forget the hot sauce?
Oh. Greens are your thing. I don't know anything about them.
Man, mean greens ain't greens unless you put the hot sauce on it, baby.
Well, let's start over. Just cut everything. We're gonna start this whole thing over because we forgot the hot sauce. Roll again.
Thanks again, everybody, for joining us this episode of Mean Greens. We want to thank all the servicemen and women, police, firemen, and all the outstanding service workers that help support our country and make our country great. Mean Greens. And don't forget, be punctual. Punctuality is number one.
Actually, number one, be kind to everyone. No matter who it is. Don't be a dick. Be kind to everybody. This world will be a better place. You guys have a good week.
Later. was I gonna say?
Hot sauce.
You got some hot sauce I can borrow.
E, vitamin K, nutrient dense.
What are you doing here?
Hey, man, you're supposed
Hang
to
on,
be-
man. You're smiling at me. I don't even think I should make this bullshit one. You know? I think this episode is fine with just you doing the collard greens, and it's just like,
Okay.
I guess. The only funny thing was that this will not open that can.
Oh.
These are broken. These are broken. So I was gonna sit here and struggle trying to get that can. I wasn't here. I don't know what else was in there.